Hey guys, welcome to another Thank Truck It's Friday. I'm really excited about this one because I'm going to walk you through a brand new service we're now offering here at Kuda. PTO, tipping kit, wet kit, whatever you want to call it. We now do it, so let's get into it. Okay, let's talk about wet kits. This is something that we've been looking at Kuda now for a little while. And we were trying to find the right partner to do it with because it's a new thing for us. Although we've had extensive training and we do have a really good understanding of it now, when we started out on this journey, we weren't entirely sure of how it all works and the complications there might be. So we wanted to find the right partner, and we chose Harsh. I'm sure lots of you are aware of Harsh. Harsh are a fantastic company. They have full nationwide coverage on warranty support. They have a site in York, they have a site in Peterborough. I think they have a site up in Scotland somewhere now as well. So they're a good sized company, great kit. Like the quality of the kit is awesome. The warranty support is awesome. The training we had with them, with our guys, learning it all to make sure that we can deliver exactly what the customer wants. It's really great. So thank you firstly to Harsh for the partnership. We're really excited about it. And we can't wait to just carry on fitting loads of this kit now. This particular application, okay, this is a very bog standard tipping kit. You know, there's no walking floor going on, there's no dual section tanks or anything like that. But this is what we've started on. We've got other stuff coming through. We can offer everything. If you check on the website under the PTO section, you can see we can offer walking floors, we can do all sorts of stuff. But I just wanted to grab a truck, one of the first ones out of here, just to walk you through it. Maybe some of you aren't entirely sure what PTO or wet kit or tipping gear or what it all means, so hopefully my little basic description of it you might learn something, maybe, and I might get it wrong and you can tell me in the comments, and I'm sure you'll love doing that. But anyway, here we go. So first of all, 200 litre hydraulic oil tank. That hydraulic oil obviously is the power, well, not the power, but that is what gives you the oomph to tip your trailer up. Goes through all the hydraulic hoses. You'll see here on we've put our standard chassis infill. You've seen that many times on a different video. Behind that, you've then got the main hose which connects onto the trailer. This particular one is a 2-inch push connector, I think, off the top of my head, or 1 3/4 inches, I can't remember. Push connector and the hose. In the chassis, these particular Mercedes trucks have come with PTO prep and a PTO fitted. PTO is a power takeoff, for those of you that aren't sure. And that means we have we're fitted onto the factory fitted PTO, which drives via a pumping system the hydraulic oil through the hoses to basically tip your trailer. That's essentially how it works. Within the cab itself, we've fitted a manual tilt switch or tip switch or tip lever, whichever way you want to call it. I'm sure there'll be some B-roll of that going over the top of this at the minute. That basically just means that gives the driver the tip control that he needs to operate the kit. We here at Kuda have had all of the extensive training to make sure we can do it on trucks with PTO prep. If you haven't got PTO prep, we can still quote on it, but we're working closely with Harsh, and it may be that we have a partnership where the trucks are sent to Harsh and then we finish off the rest of the fitment here. But we can offer it just physically here at Kuda. We are doing trucks that have PTO prep from the factory. What else is there to tell you about it? I mean, it's a nice looking kit. I know that, you know, this is all about functionality. I'm well aware of that, but I think it looks really nice. I love the Harsh branding on it. You know, I'm a sucker for a brand. We've also done, previous to this, which is still one of the first, but previous to this, we did 2 more where we had integrated steps in the hydraulic oil tanks. So if you want that option, we can offer that option as well. You don't have to have a flush tank like this. You can have your steps if you want to get up onto the catwalk. Goes without saying, we obviously do our tread safe full platforms to work with the Harsh tipping gear. So if you do need a full catwalk rather than just this chassis infill that's shown here, we can offer that full coverage, still access to your fuel filler cap, and if you have the steps on this side, we can also put an extra grab handle on there just to make sure you've got your points of contact to get up onto it. Yeah, I mean, that's tipping gear, that's PTO. Like I said, it is very basic. I'm still learning this as well. But our guys, fully trained by Harsh, we're all supported by Harsh. Every single truck that comes out of here comes with the Harsh service program, so it is supported under their warranty. You've got no issues there at all. It's obviously being done under stage 2 type approval as well, so we can offer that. We're really excited. We think this is going to be a great addition to what we can offer our customer base. It just gives us another string to our bow, or feather to our cap, whichever saying you want to use. And yeah, this is great. So thank you again to Harsh. Thanks again to our guys for going through all the training. Thank you to Mercedes for trusting us on these first few. And yeah, if you've got any questions or any requirements on PTO, make sure you get in touch. But for now, I'm going to leave you with some lovely B-roll to some lovely music of this particular fitment. Also, quickly, in this cab, we have fitted a cab store locker system and a truck shift microwave, so you'll be seeing that on the B-roll. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Thanks.